Hey babes, it's Daybae back with another video, and today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another recreating Pinterest looks video. Make sure you click the card that's up here if you haven't already seen part 1. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, we're just gonna get into this video. Okay, so I picked out 5 outfits for this video. This is the first one. I'm gonna try to pop it up, but if y'all want to see. So it's just black jeans. It looks like she has on black leggings underneath. I'm not doing all of that. And then a black long sleeve turtleneck and some necklaces and a bracelet and some Ugg slides, and I have all of that. So that's gonna be the first outfit. Okay, so I have the first outfit right here. My Uggs are over here, and then I'll grab the jewelry. But let me change real quick. Okay, so I put it on. Mine is a little cropped and hers is a little not. And I have to put on a belt because these pants are too big. So this is what we're rocking with so far. I'm looking at the picture and I don't have a name necklace, but I do have a long one with a circle, and I do have a chain, and I do have a bracelet. So let me get that real quick. I'm finna put these on. Oh, she got it, but it was too loose. Okay, bracelet on. Assistance. Oh, did I get it? I got it. I didn't get it. I got it in my hair. Okay, and the last step will be the Uggs, which I have right here. Okay, y'all. So this is the recreation. She's gonna like this. Okay, so this is the first fit done. I'm gonna need you to let me know in the comments down below, 1 through 10, how do you think I did on this recreation? I'm gonna give myself a 9 out of 10 because I did pretty darn good. Yes, I did, down to the shoes, babes. And let's get into the next one. Okay, so the next outfit we got here, we're gonna go with this one. So it's some green cargo pants with like a black crop top tank top. I don't have one, but I do have a black tank top, so I'm gonna use that. And then she has like a black fanny pack. I don't have that, but I have a black crossbody bag, so I'm gonna use that. And some white shoes. I'm gonna use my Air Force One, so let me get all that really quickly. Here's the pants and the tank top. So let me just get dressed real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and low-key it's been a minute. This is what we're rocking with. Oh, she's cute. Then the black tank top, I have to tie it up in the back. Oh, she looking a little bit. Hold on. Anyway, because they didn't have my size, so I got a bigger one because I was like, I need a black tank top. It's giving me very Kim Possible. Okay, now we got the shoes on. It's a whole fit. Yes. Okay. So we got the top, the bag, and she had hers behind her, so I just put it a little bit behind me. So this is this fit. This one, honestly, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 because I love this. I love this. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and let's get into the next one. So this is the next fit. I just got these pants the other day, and then I have this Ice Cube shirt, which is blue, like her shirt was blue. So I'm gonna use this shirt. Probably keep the Air Forces, and then I have a black shoulder bag that I'm gonna use. Okay, so that's gonna be the next outfit, so I'm gonna go ahead and change into that, and I'll be right back. Here is the third fit. The third fit. Okay, so here we go. We got the pants. These are the pants. Black shoulder bag, black tee. I do like the fit. I don't like the way the shirt is. I wish my shirt was just a little bit bigger. And then I just put on the white Air Forces again. This was the third fit. I know I said I was gonna do 5, but I don't really like the 5th one, so I'm not gonna do it. Sorry. So this is number 3, so we have one more to do, which would be this one. I'm actually kind of really excited for this one. Let me pull up the picture. This one, she has on some graffiti jeans and then a white tank top and some gold jewelry. Her tank top says 90s baby, and I have like a white top that says baby girl on it, but I need to wash it. And then I have these graffiti jeans that I did for my birthday that I'm gonna wear. I love these pants so much, y'all. Hold on, y'all finna get a whole tour. So back pocket, this one says my name, Deshalian. And then there's a, don't get too close, there's a butterfly. And then over here it says Big 21, because my 21st birthday. And then it says it down here. Then over here it says Angel Rainbow Ombre, bro. And then ignore the makeup, but down here it says self-love baby, self-love, all the way. We gotta go all the way. Over here it says baby girl, and then it says day bae. That's me, been out here. And I got the yellow and green fade ombre. And then down here it's just some more like inspiration. And then down here I just have some X's because I don't know. So I'm gonna throw this outfit on. Does she have any bags? She didn't have a bag. She has some black glasses. I don't have black glasses, but I have red glasses, and there's some red over here in the pants, so I'm just gonna make this work. But yeah, let me change and then I'll be right back. And I'm gonna keep these Air Forces on because that's what she got on in the picture. She should stay inside this summer. She's gonna be outside, but like, for everybody's sake, I shouldn't be allowed. Also, I didn't take off the black tank top because I don't have on a black bra, so I didn't feel like going to go get one. But this is the fit. This one kind of cute, but I'm gonna be honest, it's the glasses for me. So this was the final fit. I'm gonna take these off. Well, I'm gonna rate this one like a 7 out of 10, but I think with the right top this would be hecka cute. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Turn on the post notifications so that you never miss a video. I will be uploading 2 videos a week, so you're gonna wanna, you know, stay tuned for that. So comment down below, let me know what you think of the outfits. Give me your rates 1 out of 10. I want to know which outfit was your favorite. I want to know which one was your least favorite. Like, let me know something. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.